a hand drag. We're counting it. Kind of my favorite feature right now. Oop, oop, oop. Ah! Am I lonely? Or do I got you guys? Team Buckhouse? But yeah. Let me adjust a little bit. There we go. Short day today because today's the first day we're moving into the house. I did do a house tour video yesterday. If you want to see where your support goes, everyone that's snagging the merch, like the hats, hoodies, t-shirts, any of the stickers, all the Patreons, all the members, you want to know where your support's going, check that video out right there. It means so much to me that you guys support this channel, allow me to do this for a living, and allow me to be able to put my family in a house. Like, that's insane. I'm renting a house. Like, there's going to be obviously more content about that. You're going to see that in the future. So one, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because my goal is to bring you guys daily snowboard content. And the only way to do that is to have a studio, which we now have. And I'm going to have a studio tour, or once I get it all like fancy, I'm gonna have a studio reveal and all this stuff. Man, I feel like a YouTuber. It's crazy. But we're at Copper. We're gonna get some laps in. It's sunny. We're here early though, so it should be firm. But it's gonna be sunny and firm. And as long as the sun's out, it's usually a really good time. And I'm just excited to snowboard. So enough talking. We're gonna get geared up. We're gonna go snowboard, and I'm hyped. Rails were a little sticky. Hopefully they start warming up a bit. But no one's hitting them because it's a ghost town. Things get a little sticky. To the moon. Oh, that was scary. Well, snow's fast. Woo, the heart. That's new and that's big. Surprisingly, the snow feels incredible. It's not too firm. You get a good edge into it. So I'm so hyped on that. It is definitely fast. In that last 360, I came around it and I was just like, I'm 5 feet higher than I normally am. It scared the crap out of me, but we landed it. We're alive. And yeah, we're having a good session on that first jump. But do you guys also know what is unexpected? Today's tattoo shout out, another tattoo shout out. We got Jordan Brew with the Evolution sticker or logo on his ankle tattooed. Let's go, dude. So many people are getting the logo tattooed on him. That is absolutely nuts. As well as we got Daniel Garcia with the gold Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging merch, supporting the channel. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag them, once again, you support the dream. It's how I do it for a living. It's how I can afford to live in such an expensive area. It's how we can do all the traveling to go to new ski resorts, to show you if you should go to those ski resorts and stuff like that. So guys, thank you to everyone that has snagged merch throughout this whole season. The season's not even close to being over yet. I'm gonna show you guys how late you can actually ride into the season. So, snag some merch still. Throw it on your snowboards. Don't put your snowboards away because we're still ripping. But also, if you do snag any of the merch, make sure you tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content. The stories are where you can know where I'm riding each day, but also the stories have a bunch of goodness in them. So if you are following my Instagram, start watching my stories. Enough talking. We got some more laps in us. Today's fire so far.
Friends are now my enemies. Always tell you what to do. Can't keep up with all the bullshit they're throwing your way.
So it's been a minute since I've snowboarded by myself, and I forget how fast you can go when it's just you. You're not waiting on anybody. Strap in, you drop. You rope to the jumps, you drop when you're ready. It's just like boom, 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 boom. There is a beauty in the solo shred, and I like to do it occasionally, but I will say, obviously, snowboarding with friends, having a crew is prime time, the best you can do. But if you are riding solo, take advantage of it. Work on some tricks. I'm gonna do some back sevens, and then overall, I've just kind of been doing my own thing, going my own pace, not caring what anyone else around me is thinking, just doing me, making a video for you guys. And that's what you should do every time you snowboard. Do it for yourself, do it for whatever you're doing. I feel inspirational right now, but I'm having fun. We got a couple more laps in us, and then we got to get out of here because, like I said, it's moving day. Day one of moving. Adult responsibilities. But once we're in that house, dude, my life is going to get so much better because my wife is going to be so much happier. My favorite feature right now. So while I was doing that last run, I had a thought, and I was like, actually, I never snowboard by myself because I'm always with you guys, technically. I always have someone to talk to. Huh? Does that count? Comment down below. Am I lonely? Or do I got you guys? Team Buckhouse? But yeah. Sadly, all good mellow days of solo shredding have to come to an end. This one's gonna be chipmunk. If this was not enough snowboarding for you, or if you're not a big fan of the point of view and you wanna watch a different view, yesterday I landed a front seven for the first time. Check that video out right there. Obviously, it needs improvement. It's gonna get better with time. It was the first one I ever rode away, which was so sick. And I'm just so happy that this season I threw back sevens, cab 7 and landed it, front 7 and landed it. And obviously I'm working on the back 7 right now, so I can get it to back 9, and then we're hopefully can get a back 10 by the end of the season. That would be incredible. Have like back 9s on lock and then back 10. Obviously I gotta be hitting some bigger jumps. That's what it really comes down to. But we're out here every day working on little things to get better at snowboarding, and I hope you guys do that too when you come out and rip. So, all right, Chipmunk, let's see if we land that back step. We should. I don't know why I'm not landing it super backseat for some reason, but we'll get it. A hand drag. We're counting it. Here we go. We rode away. We definitely have taken it easy on the rails today. Rails, point of view, aren't the sickest. It's been nice to kind of just like focus on the jumps. Been sticky all day. So normally this is the time of the day that I show up to snowboard. So we're leaving right as it's starting to get prime time, but that's okay. It was such a sick morning. I feel like I got so many laps, and it's just so, any day you can get on your snowboard is a good day, even if it's at Keystone. We were at Copper today, but probably know what I'm talking about. So of course I'm going to show you guys how to snowboard year round. That's what I like to do on this channel. But I'm a little nervous because the snowpack on like obviously the 14ers and stuff, it looks pretty scarce this year. We did not get a lot of snow, so I hope that we have a good summer snowpack at like Loveland that we can rip, and then Peak 10 at Brack and St. Mary's Glade, all the spots. Gear has to come off like immediately. It's so hot down here. And you guys already know this video cannot end without me saying, sign up for snowboard camp. If you want to get better at snowboarding from me, it's the only time of the year that I can coach you guys on the mountain on how to get better at snowboarding. June 6th through the 12th is the first week of camp. June 13th through the 19th is the second week of camp. So sign up for one of the weeks. They're filling up pretty quick. If you're thinking about signing up for camp, just pull the trigger and do it, because you don't want to be the person that was gonna go to camp and then you didn't, and you missed out on all the fun, super sick activities that we're gonna be doing. After every day of riding, we go like jump in a lake or jump in a river or just play Monopoly, just have a good time. We always do video breakdowns, so I'll film you guys while you're snowboarding, and then at the end of the day, we'll eat dinner and then we watch and break down everyone's riding. That way you guys can see what we can improve on. It's so important to watch your own riding. It will definitely make you a better rider. And that's what I kind of like about the point of view too, is I can kind of see where my head was and what I was doing or looking at essentially. Again, it's like pretty cool. Like point of view is pretty spot on. It's like what I see is what you guys are seeing. So I hope you guys like the point of view, but also I sidetracked. Sign up for camp. Come to snowboard camp. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. I had a blast, and I hope you guys did too. So as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff